1. 1975 Ford F-350 Super Camper Special, $8,495, Rushford, Minnesota. This 1975 Ford F-350 Super Camper Special is equipped with a 7.5-liter 460 V8 gas engine with less than 1,000 miles since rebuild. Features include a C6 automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes. The body is solid for its age and has recent tires. A great choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a reliable classic. Two, 1972 Ford F-150 Paulding, Oklahoma. A daily work truck with minimal rust. This 1972 Ford F-100 runs well with a 240 inline-6 engine and C4 automatic transmission. Features include new manual steering gear and functioning lights and heat. While the odometer is broken, this truck is ready for daily use with a bit of TLC, including front-end bushings and kingpins. Three, 73 Ford F-100, $3,800, Castle Rock, Washington. This 1973 Ford F-100 long bed features a 302 V8 engine and 3-speed manual transmission. With a straight, clean body, it's an excellent restoration project or a functional truck with a tune-up. The odometer reads 17,430, rolled over. A solid investment for enthusiasts seeking a classic with potential. $1979 Ford F-250 4x4, $2,750, Morrison, Illinois. This 1979 Ford F-250 comes with a 300 inline-6 engine, Dana 4460 axles, and a 4-speed manual transmission. Recently revived after years of sitting, it features new parts like a master cylinder, fuel lines, and battery cables. While rust and body dents are present, this 4x4 is ideal for farm use or restoration. Five, 1987 Ford F-150 Super Cab at 750th Maple Ridge, British Columbia. This 1987 Ford F-150 Super Cab is available as a complete vehicle or for parts. While the 302 engine is non-functional and missing components, the body and front end are in good condition, perfect for a restoration or project. Six, 1989 Ford Ranger 2xU, $600, Reno, Nevada. This affordable 1989 Ford Ranger features a 2.3-liter manual transmission and runs well, but requires a new slave cylinder. Recent upgrades include a new fuel pump, starter, and exhaust. Though gutted inside, this truck has potential as a budget-friendly project. Seven, 1971 GMC 1/2-ton LWB, $5,775, Ash Fork, Arizona. A classic 1971 GMC long bed with a small block V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The body and bed are in excellent shape, and the truck comes with a replacement hood and rally wheels. Requires clutch installation and minor carburetor work. Eight, 1972 Ford F-100 4x4 short bed pickup, 8500 Arizona. This rare 1972 Ford F-100 4x4 features a 360 V8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission. Though it hasn't run in over 10 years, the body is in good shape with minor dents and rust, ideal for restoration projects. 9, 1973 Chevrolet C10 stepside, $7,995, Dallas, Texas. This 1973 Chevrolet C10 has a rebuilt 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission. The wood bed, solid cab corners, and interior are in excellent condition. While brakes need work, this truck is road ready and perfect for customization. Ten, 1978 Chevrolet El Camino, $5,700, Martinez, California. Featuring a 350 crate engine and new turbo 350 transmission, this 1978 Chevrolet El Camino runs and drives great. Additional features include a straight body, cold AC, and a solid wood bed. Known issues include minor exhaust leaks and a noisy speedometer. 11, 1972 Ford F-100 2W1250 Bernalillo, New Mexico. This 1972 Ford F-100 bump side includes a factory V8 with AC and a 4-speed manual transmission. While not currently running, it has a rebuilt engine from the late 70s and a recently refreshed front end. Needs a new carburetor to be road ready. $12. 1976 Chevy Scottsdale, $4,000, Salem, Oregon. A clean 1976 Chevy Scottsdale barn find with only 34,000 original miles. The engine is seized, but comes with a rebuilt 350 and transmission. With minimal rust and a straight body, this is a great canvas for a custom build. $13. 1970 Chevrolet Stepside Truck, 9,800 Troop, Texas. This 1977 Chevrolet Stepside features a 350 engine and 4-speed manual transmission, factory AC, a 3.73 rear gear, and solid cab corners make it a standout. The paint has minor imperfections, but it runs and drives well. Ford 1977 Ford F-250, 1,805th Springdale, Washington. An all-original 1977 Ford F-250 with 57,000 miles on a new motor. Features include automatic transmission and AC. At this price, it's a great find for those seeking a reliable classic truck. $15. 1975 International D150, 5000 Bluffs, Iowa. This 1975 International D150 Ford WD features a 392 engine, minimal rust, and new doors, fenders, and hood. Perfect for restoration or use as a functional work truck with plow hookups.